Welcome to Rasa International School online classes. Today our topic is binary number system. Binary number system. So we will understand what is binary number system and how we calculate the binary number. So here we go. The easiest way to vary instruction through electric signals is two-state system, on and off. On is represented as 1 and off is represented as 0. Though 0 is not actually no signal but signal at a lower voltage. So 1 represent on and 0 represent off. The number system having just these two digits 0 and 1 is called binary number system. So as you know, we are passing the signals in the form of electric signals. So computer only understand the electric signals. One is means it is on, the bit is on, and 0 means the voltage is very lower or it is off. Binary digit is also called bit. क्या कहते हैं हम? बिट कहते हैं. जो भी बाइनरी डिजिट होती है उसको हम बिट कहते हैं और इसकी जो मेमोरी कैलकुलेशन होती है वो भी बिट की फॉर्म में होती है. बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम इज ऑल्सो पोजिशनल वैल्यू सिस्टम वेयर ईच डिजिट हैज़ अ वैल्यू एक्सप्रेस्ड इन पावर्स ऑफ 2 as displayed here. पोजिशनल वैल्यू सिस्टम जैसा कि आपका मैथमेटिक्स में होता है. मैथमेटिक्स में किसी भी नंबर की पोजीशन होती है, लाइक फर्स्ट पोजीशन इज वंस, देन टेंस, देन 100, देन 1000 and so on. And as you learn in the decimal, the base is 10. So first in the first table there is what the base is 10 and 10 to the power 0. So as here in binary the base is 2. So 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And decimal equivalent of this number is sum of product of each digit with its positional value. So here we will understand with the example, like this is your binary number and you have to convert it in the decimal format. So how you will fill the number in the table? First 0, 1, 0, 1 and 1. So it is 0, that means this bit is false or means off. 1, true means this bit is on. So this is false, this is true, this is true. Is 0, 0 because 2 into 2 की power 0. 2 की power 0, it's 0. And then here is plus 2 the power, because here I'm writing the number, here I'm writing the number 1, 1. Okay, so 1 into 2 the power 1, to the power 1. So 1 into 2 is 2. And here write down the plus 2 to the power 2 and bit is 0. So it is 0. Here 1, 1 and 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 3, 1 into 2 to the power 3. 2 to 2 ja 4 and 4 2 ja 8 and 8 1 ja 8. Here again plus. So 1 into 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 means 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8 and 8 into 2 is 16. So 1 into 16 is 16. Now we will add this number. 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. So this is your number after calculating the series, and base is 10 because it is in decimal format. Thank you students. Now today you understand that how to convert a binary to the decimal. Wait for the next class. Thank you so much.